Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's barbecue recipe, we are making a spiced macaroni salad. It's your usual macaroni salad, but I give it a little bit of my own twist. So if you guys love barbecue recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So I've got all the ingredients that I need to make my macaroni salad, and then I also did go ahead and actually cook my macaroni according to the package directions. So that is all good and cooled. So let's show you the dressing first. So I've got some veganese and some red wine vinegar, very, very similar to kind of the potato salad that we made last week. And then I'm gonna add in my own twist. So I've got some spices here. I've got onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, mustard powder, a little bit of chili powder, some sugar, brown sugar, very, very little, and then salt and pepper. So I'm gonna add that in, and this gives it kind of a more spiced flavor. So mix that all in. Okay, look how delicious that looks. So dressing is done. And now let me walk you through the ingredients for the macaroni salad. So I chopped up some black olives, some red onions, and then some red bell pepper, all very fine. And then my cooked macaroni, main ingredient. And now I top it with the dressing. Oops. Get every last bit. All right, and then give it a good mix. All right, that looks beautiful. So one thing that you can do to make this well-rounded, and if you don't care about this being absolutely plant-based, is you can add turkey sausage. There's a summer turkey sausage at Trader Joe's that is delicious, and if you chop it up into little cubes and put it in this salad, it's absolutely delicious. So totally recommend that if you want to kind of bulk up this salad a little bit more. So I'm going to do a taste test. There you go. All right, this is absolutely delicious. Another very, very perfectly easy, delicious side dish to go with any type of barbecue that you're doing this summer. Saw how easy it comes together, and believe me, add those spices because it just brings your macaroni salad to another level. So if you guys love summer barbecue recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.